Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Do you want to know the 3 factors that set high-performing teams apart? Here's my Christmas present to you all. It's an updated and complete package to gauge your teams, to see how high-performing they are and how to improve if there's any gap. The best part, it's free. Dashing through the goals in a high-paced working day. Over the meetings, collaborating all the way. Teams are thriving, making spirits bright. What fun it is to write code and tackle tasks tonight. High-performing teams, achieving goals with shared dreams. What joy it is to work and play in a high-performing team. Hooray! Oopsie! It fell into the comment section. You can grab it down there. Just scroll down, okay? Sorry. As the year winds down and we celebrate, cheers to our achievements, we're feeling first rate. Here's to high-performing teams near and far, wishing you success like a shining star.